Hello, viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we convert the sound to whatever we speak into WAV format using Python program. So that the same WAV file in the next video will convert into a text proper speech recognition. So we'll see part one of it, part one of the program. In the next video, we'll see part two of a program. So before that, guys, let me install. So for this, guys, we have to install two things. We have to have first install pip install pyaudio. This will install all the things. Pip install is simple like from Node, right? From Node.js, we'll install two things like Node packages. So pip install is kind of similar to that. Okay, let it install. If you have already installed, it will see. If you have, I've already installed here. So if not installed, you'll get the same thing. Now next, you add this one, pip install speech recognition. It will try to install. I have already installed, but still I'm showing you. These two are the things which we have to do it. Since I've already installed, it's coming like that. For you, it will try to install few other packages. Okay. So now here I'll write. So I'll anyhow save this file as .py file, but I like writing in a notepad. So if you want to use IDE, you can use IDE. So I have to import two things, import pyaudio and import v. So I'll write the chunk equal to, so these are all the format, guys, like how you want to be, how the format you want it to be. So I'll write a format equal to pyaudio.pa 16 format I need. No, 26, 16 format pyaudio.pa. The channels, let us have two channels. So these are all you can play around, okay? So how much ever you can easily play around. So I want rate to be and record seconds. Let us keep for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. You can play around with this. So for now, I'll keep 5 seconds. Now I want wave output file name equal to, I'll write here converted to WAV file.wav. So we want a wave file. So if you have remember in the previous session, we would have told that the voice which we gave is a sound waves. Based on the sound waves, it converts into a text. So this is the part one. So we'll see, we'll understand everything properly. So here I want to convert the pyaudio. So I want to take the function method called pyaudio. Here I want to have a stream. The stream can be from P. If I put dot, if it's a proper editor, I'll get open. Here I can have format. So I'll write format equal to the format which we have here. So I want the wave into P in this format. So I can add channels. So here the channels I'll take from here. Okay. Similar thing, whatever we added. So I want rate. So let us add in the bottom. So for it to be clearly visible to the on the screen, so I'll add rate as rate. So then I'll add input as true, and I will write frames per buffer. I'll just will copy this chunk. I'll paste it here. So this is my string. This is how I want to start my string. So I'll write print, which is a genuine thing. Let's recording started. Okay. So it's just a message for the user to understand. Okay, recording has started. So let us give some dots here. So let us end with some dots. Okay. So the user will understand that recordings have started. So I'll write just, I'll take one array which is array frames. So I'll take a null array for now. Now here I'll iterate in the for in loop. Okay. Now it should be visible here. So for I in the range, so I'll write from 0 int, then I'll divide my int value. So whatever the rate I get from here, divided by the chunk, whatever the chunk I'm proposing. So these are all hard coded by me. So you can add whatever you want based on the record, based on however you want. Okay. So if you want recording for 10 seconds, you can change this. If you want the chunk value, the rate, the frequency you can change according to chunk into rate seconds. Okay. So here this is my for loop. What we are doing, we are estimating the data equal to stream, what is the stream we got, dot, so I'm using the read, I'm reading the stream of chunk through chunk. How many, what is chunk here? 1024. Read up to that much. Okay. So I'm appending the data through the array frames. Okay. So array frames, I'm adding everything into array frame dot append of data. So once we have appended the data, so this is my for loop, and so print I'll write recording started, recording ended. So I'm just recording everything now. So recording ended. So there we started the recording. Here we ended the entire recording. Now, so once you have created the object, it's very good to close the objects also. So here I'll write stream. So I'm making into stop the stream. So comma, I have to remove the comma. So once I stop the stream, I have to make sure instead of just giving P audio, something I'll write. So P is like not proper. So now once I have done that, I have to use paudio dot terminate. I will terminate paudio also. Okay. If you don't do this, it will be running in the backend. So it all depends on the performance. Okay. So I've imported pyaudio. We have used pyaudio from that pyaudio. We have given our settings here, and we have given converted to WAV file. So all the time when you run it, this the same file will be the new file will be present. The old file will be deleted with the same name. If you are just giving the same name, if you are giving the unique name by running the stream, so all files will be there. Okay. So now once we have terminated it, so we'll use waveform method. So I'll write it here. So if it is visible, waveform equal to no wave.open. So we are importing the wave also, right? What we are opening here, we want to open this one. So and we are giving WB. Okay. Then here we are setting the channels. So waveform dot setnchannels. So channels where we have taken here. So we'll copy this, we'll paste it here. Okay. We are setting the channels also. Then we are setting the sample width. So waveform I'm taking again dot set sample width. So here I'm taking sample width. So from where I have taken sample width? From paudio. So paudio dot. So we'll have a method called get sample size. Okay, and the format will be this format. Just copy that format. Now set frame rate also we have to write the frames, and we have to close this object. Okay. So now let us copy the waveform. Now we have to set the frames. So what we have to set the frames here? Set the frame rate. Set frame rate of wait. Okay. Then we have to what do we do? Then we have to write the frames. So I'm adding here dot join. So I'm joining the array frames here. So waveform dot close. So once we have created this, we have to close this method. So just I'll refresh the program. So I'm going to the wave audio. Then I've added the chunk format. Channels I've added. You can give number of channels, rate, FQH rate. It all depend on the format of the audio. Recording settings I've given. Convert to wave pyaudio. .open. We have added the frame rate, channels, rate, input equal to true. What is the input? Okay, we give frames for buffer. Then we are doing the print, started recording. Then we are taking array frames as simple array. Then we are using for in a loop with having a range. We have given 0 to int, whatever the value we take it. So up to that you run. So what is the data you give? You read the data, add to the array. Then you are doing the print recording ended. Then you are stopping the stream. You're closing the stream also. So I forgot to write stream.close. So whatever the object we create, we have to close off. And we have to terminate the paudio also here. Okay. So wave function, waveform we are creating, wave.open output file, comma WB. We are setting n channel, set sample width, set frames, set channels of the channels, set sample width of paudio.getSample, set sample rate of rate, waveform of B, join frames, and then close. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll save it as here. I'll go for create WAV file. So to create WAV.p file. So I'll save this. I'll go to my since we have already created a program, so let me run it. So here I'll try to run. It will start recording started. So I have to speak for 5 seconds. Now it will show recording ended. Okay. This file will be there stored like create WAV, whatever name we have given will be there. Let me share that screen for you. As you can see on the screen, guys, we have got converted to WAV file. So now what I'll do, I'll share that, let it play out. So start recording started. So I have to speak for 5 seconds. Now it will. So that was like what we can record it. So let me share the screen of the command prompt. That is what we heard, right? It started to record us. And this same recording will be converted to speech to text in the next video, which I'll write a simple program. We'll use this output.wav file as an input to the next program, and we'll convert the same thing to a text format. Hope you all like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.